how's about a way of getting perfect pictures every single time? You know, lots of people say to me, I can't draw, or, hey, Neil, how'd you draw that? Or, show me how to draw this, or, how can I be better at art? Well, do you want to know my secret? Sketch lightly first. When you're drawing a picture, or painting a picture, whatever you're doing, sketch it lightly first. The lighter the better. That way you can adjust your mistakes as you go and people won't see them because they're so light. Now use a light pencil or charcoal, anything that makes light wispy lines, and just gently sketch onto your paper. Now you're going to have to look really closely because I'm going to do it very lightly. The idea is to just lightly sketch the rough positions of things on your picture. And you can keep adjusting complicated shapes as you go. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes, you can hardly see them. Just adjust that. That's not quite right. I'm just going to go over it again. There it is. You can even redraw things 3 or 4 times. It doesn't matter as long as it's slightly sketched. Yeah, so that's just about it. Now, OK, it's a bit of a mess, but it doesn't matter because it's so lightly sketched, you won't see that lot when I've finished, because when you're happy with your rough sketch, you just go over it with heavier lines. And it's just a case of using the light sketch lines as a guide. Just draw over them heavier. And as you add more detail, most of your rough sketch underneath will disappear. And those little sketch lines just help you get a more accurate, detailed picture in the end. And just finish off around there with a bit of shading. And there it is, look at that. And don't worry if you can still see some of those lightly sketched lines. I think they add character to the picture. Anyway, they're easy to rub out if you've done them really lightly. And you know, I promise you, it really will make a difference to your pictures if you lightly sketch them in rough first. I do it with every picture I've done. Look at these ones. This picture started out as a really sketchy mess, and look at it. And these complicated shapes were blocked in lightly and altered many times before I finally drew it heavily. And I made lots of mistakes on this before I got it right, but they were so light you could hardly see them. Try it yourself. One of the real secrets to creating a great picture: sketch lightly